Sabotage!
Serenity! Cut the rope!
Falle allith Blue roi tips drag I Serenity.
You glamorise everyone in the town.
Yes.
We'll have to book Serenity in.
Dwi jyst yn teimlo mor lwcus bod fi'n cael treulio gymaint o amser hefo brenhinesa drag.
I'm the one that put the effort in today.
Oh,
What did he say? People are going to be raging when they hear that.
Dwi eisiau gwybod be ma celebs o tu allan I Gymru yn meddwl am ein gwlad bach arbennig ni. Felly nes I wahodd y drag queen o Ogledd Iwerddon, Blue Hydrangea, I dreulio deuddydd yma I weld pa mor wych ydy'r lle a bod bywyd yng Nghymru ddim yn drag o gwbl.
Well, this is a bit of me.
Exactly. Da ni'n fwy na glo, defaid a Tom Jones. Felly be am I ni chwalu'r ystrydebau yma a phrofi unwaith ac am byth bod ni'n fwy na daffs a taffs. Dwi yng Ngheredigion yn cerdded ar dir y Cardis a dwi wedi cyffroen lan ar gyfer celeb sy'n dod I Gymru tro yma. Hi oedd y queen cynta o Ogledd Iwerddon I ymddangos ar RuPaul's Drag Race a nath I ennill Drag Race UK versus the World a mae hi'n aelod o'r grŵp The Frock Destroyers. Yep, Blue Hydrangea! A gobeithio wneith I ffrocin fwynhau I amser yma.
Hi, I'm Blue Hydrangea, and I am the winner of RuPaul's Drag Race UK versus the World, all the way from Northern Ireland. When I think of Wales, I think of funny words like Pop de Ping. I think of Barry Island, of course, from Gavin and Stacey. I'm hoping that there's lots of queer life in Wales that I will get to explore because that's not a big thing in Ireland. There's a few bars here and there. The queer community is very strong, but not supported so much by most of Ireland. So I would love to see that in Wales.
Mae'n arwr lleol ni tro yma yn byw ar ffarm, ond hefyd yn frenhines drag. Ia, mae'n dawnsio, perfformio ac yn trio chwistrellu chydig bach o lawenydd queer I fewn I gefn gwlad Cymru. Arwr go iawn, os ti'n gofyn I fi. Pwy di'r person yma? Wel, Queen Ceredigion, neb llai na Chris, a.k.a. Serenity. Chris, Serenity.
Helo.
Sut wyt ti?
Fi'n iawn, diolch.
Ie?
Sut I ti?
Fi'n iawn, ti'n edrych mlaen am yr antur yma?
Ie, fi yn edrych mlaen.
Ie?
Am beth ti'n barod?
Fi'n meddwl bod fi'n barod.
Ie.
Falle ta hwn di'r cwestiwn mwyaf stupid fyddai byth yn gofyn, ond ti wedi gwylio RuPaul's Drag Race, do?
Wrth gwrs. Na hel.
A ti'n gwybod pwy yw Blue Hydrangea?
Fi yn...
Ti'n fan o waith Blue Hydrangea?
Fi'n fan massive
Ie.
o Blue.
Mae'n amazing yn ei
Mae
coleg.
drag hi yn just, amazing. Top tier, top tier.
Wyt ti eisiau gweld be oedd gan Blue I ddeud am Gymru?
Wrth gwrs.
Okay.
When I think of Wales, I think of the Welsh dragon, daffodils, rugby. I think of a nice little place. The first Welsh person that I see, I'm gonna ask, where is there somewhere for a queer person to have fun here? Because that is always what I'm looking to do, to find the sweet spots where I can be myself and have fun.
So gan bod na gymaint mwy I bobl queer yn Llefyddol Caerdydd, Llundain, be di reswm ti I aros fan hyn? Neu wyt ti wedi bod yn tempted erioed I fynd I Gaerdydd?
So, ti'n gwybod, fi wedi perfformio, ti'n gwybod, mewn llefydd fel Caerdydd, a peth fel hwnna. Ond fi'n meddwl, mae rhaid I fi gwthio I wneud rhywbeth fan hyn. Fi'r unig person sydd yn perfformio mewn drag fan hyn. Fi jyst yn meddwl, mae fe'n fel mission fi I wneud hyn. We'll get there.
Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n amazing bod ti jyst yn dweud, hei, da ni yma. Dewch I weld ni achos ni'n fabulous. Be wyt ti eisiau bod Blue yn gadael yma yn meddwl am Gymru?
So, fel rhywle fan hyn fel cyfan gwlad, mae fe yn, ti'n gwybod, bach yn old-fashioned, ond fi moyn hi gwybod bod mae pobl moyn, ti'n gwybod, agor lan mwy, ti'n gwybod, achos mae Ceredigion yn lot o hwyl I pobl LGBTQ, ti'n gwybod.
Ond gobeithio fydd hi'n gweld hefyd bod ni yn groesawgar,
Wrth gwrs,
a bod e'n le saff, a hwyl, a bydd hi yn neud lot o ffrindiau. Dwi eisiau bod yn ffrindiau efo hi.
Ie, a fi.
Yeah.
I can't wait. I'm more excited.
Yn ôl y cyfrifiad diweddara, Aberystwyth ydy'r dre sydd â'r nifer mwyaf o bobl yn adnabod eu hun yn LGBTQ+ yng Nghymru.
Dwi wedi cyrraedd Aberystwyth, dwi ar y prom a mae Blue Hydrangea ar y ffordd a dwi wedi excitio'n lan. Dwi'n mynd i dreulio deuddydd hefo drag queen. Drag queen sydd ar top I gêm hi. Blue Hydrangea!
Miriam, it's lovely to see you.
I am so excited that you're in Wales. Croeso I Gymru.
What you said. Oh, you look fabulous.
Thank you so much, so do you.
Yeah, I'm the one that put the effort in today.
I was going to say, very subtle.
You know, just today in Aberystwyth.
Aberystwyth, very close.
Aberystwyth.
I like Aberystwyth though.
Oh, yeah.
And do you know what? It's the gay capital of Wales.
You're kidding?
Yeah.
It is very rainbow. There's lots of rainbow
Yes,
buildings.
yeah.
I fit in perfectly then.
Yes, I know, that's why we're here.
A great start.
Absolutely. I saw the clip of what you thought of Wales before before this journey. Gavin Stacey, fair enough.
Of course. The only gay in the village.
The only gay in the village,
The
yes.
daffodils and rugby
sheep,
players.
Rugby. You also said pop to ping,
Popty Ping, yes.
which is a myth I'd like to debunk because it's not the Welsh word for microwave.
Oh my goodness.
I know, and the actual Welsh word isn't even that fun. It's macrodon.
Oh.
So maybe we should just adopt Popty Ping.
Macrodon.
Macrodon. Oh my gosh.
People are going to be raging when they hear that. Popty Ping was like one of the most iconic things that I knew about Wales.
It's not even true. I don't know.
Sorry, people of the public.
But quite fun. Jellyfish is Contamore, so that's quite fun.
More.
You know?
People call me a lot of the time, so.
Maybe that can be a Welsh drag name.
Yeah, I
There we
love
go.
that.
So what do you hope to gain from your time in Wales?
A bit more of the culture and what it's like to be a queer person in rural Wales. I would love to know and meet some people.
Are you from a rural part in Northern Ireland?
For sure. I went to a school where it was not okay to be gay, and yes, it was a hard time for me. So I would just love to see and meet these people who are in rural Wales, who are kind of like me, who might get something out of seeing this show.
So Blue, wyt ti'n barod am antur?
Do.
Yes!
Can we get an ice cream first?
Yes, hufen i'r gyntaf.
Hi guys, here I am on the promenade of Aberystwyth. It's beautiful and sunny and I'm ready to start my journey in Wales.
Dwi'n meddwl bydd Serenity a Blue yn dod mlaen yn dda iawn. Falle allith Blue roi tips drag I Serenity. Dwi jyst yn teimlo mor lwcus bod fi'n cael treulio gymaint o amser hefo brenhinesau drag.
Felly ffwr â ni yn ein sodle a'n ffwr at fferm Serenity ger Llanbed.
Oh my goodness, Miriam.
Careful! Straight in there, my gosh. How did you do that so gracefully?
Oh, it unlocks. Help! Oh, there we go. Right. Where's our local legend then?
Blue, dyna hi. Our local legend is just up there.
Is that a bird? Is it a plane?
No!
It's a drag queen! Oh my goodness.
Hi, Serenity!
Hi, ti'n iawn.
Serenity Shmee!
Shwmai!
Shmai! Lovely to see you.
Oh, gosh! You know we said the only gay in the village? Well, Serenity is the only drag queen in the village.
I love it.
Representing.
I love it. And it's... Is this a village? Where are we?
So we're in a village called Dehewyd.
Oh, okay.
In the middle of nowhere. Can you try and say that?
Dehewyd.
Very good.
really
Very
good at
good. So, beth yw'r cynllun?
Ni mynd I Llanbed.
Let's go, girls!
Let's go, girls!
Watch the sheep poo!
I'll just carefully
Be
stomp.
careful.
Bleh. Bleh. Bleh.
Gals, ni di cyrraedd Llanbed. What has Llanbed got to offer? Beth gan nhw I gynnig?
So, mae lot o fel coffee shops I gael.
Okay.
There's a lot of coffee shops. Mae clwb rugby I gael.
Okay,
some
nice, rugby club.
There's some nice antique shops.
Gorge. You into antiques? Yeah.
I love my nanny. She's an antique, isn't she?
There we are.
Oedd ddim lot o pobl fel queer around, so there wasn't many people who were queer around. It was quite a challenge. Oedd yn eitha
imagine.
galed
Yeah.
tyfu lan, ond fi moyn trial wneud rhywbeth fan hyn. I want to try and bring something here and make it happen.
Starting a revolution.
Fi'n gwybod, yes.
Yeah, so sut wyt ti'n neud hwnna? How are you sort of bringing that to this town?
So I'm trying to do a lot of drag things here, sort of gigs, and
amazing.
bring everyone together. To create a scene. I wneud rhywbeth fan hyn, ti'n gwybod?
Because if you don't have a platform, you have to make one for yourself, right? And you've done that in this
You're
little
doing
town, and it's lovely to see. What are people like? What's the reaction?
Yes.
Ooh, it's mostly okay, it's all right. It has its ups and downs, so
Okay.
it's very new, so people want to see drag here, but because they've never seen it before, it's just getting used to it, you know?
I see.
Yes.
So it's nice that we're able to walk through this town, get a few looks,
Yeah.
people appreciating, intrigued, but nothing bad.
Siwmai, Delyth, chi'n o'r Siwmai, dyma Blue, chi'n abod Serenity. Chi'n o'r
Lovely to see you.
How are you? You okay?
I'm good, thank
Beth
you.
chi'n meddwl o'r gwall? What do you think of it here?
Dutiful.
Yeah?
Diolch yn
Nice.
fawr.
Very fi'n rhwm ser.
Delyth seal of approval on the hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Plaits on the top.
It's glued
Yeah.
on to me. It's not my real hair, I promise.
Chi'n fan o Serenity? You're a fan of
Really
Serenity?
fancy ar Facebook.
Beth ti'n meddwl o gael?
Sa'i erioed wedi bod yn dim un drag queen concert na dim i wedi
Ie.
bod. Byddai'n dod i weld chi nawr. Ie.
Diolch.
Mae'n
Oh
edrych
my
yn Mae'r gwisg yn
gosh.
edrych yn fab i wedi gwir.
Sioe.
You don't need to go to Cardiff now. Everything's in
Mae fy dod fan hyn nawr.
Thank you to Serenity. Diolch i
Yeah.
Serenity.
You glamorise everyone in the town,
Yes,
do
I
you?
do, yeah. Colours, perms, plaits, hair outs, everything. Yes,
We'll
yeah.
have to book Serenity in.
No.
Maybe Miriam too.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
Dwi angen
And wait, also, can I ask, you sell eggs
Yes,
as well?
we've got a farm in Beulah.
so people come in, they get their hair done and then-
32,000 eggs. Hens, sorry. And then we get 30,000 eggs a day.
Ti'n
And
jocio?
then everyone, we sell eggs and cut hair, everything.
It's right beside the conditioners and everything.
Everything.
I love that.
Yeah.
Diolch yn fawr iawn am gael ni. Yn eich weld chi. Wyau enwyn eggs? Yn ei gael wyau ar y ffordd allan? Fab, diolch.
Thanks for having us. I'm going to take an egg for my dinner.
Mae yna deimlad neis o gymuned clos yma yn Llanbed sydd yn rili neis i weld a hyfryd cwrdd â Delyth a dwi'n gallu gweld yr effaith bositif ar ymwybyddiaeth mae Serenity yn dod i'r dre am drag ar gymuned LGBTQ+. A bod Delyth rioed i bod i sioe drag o'r blaen, ond achos bod Serenity yn icon ac yn gwneud y gwaith mae hi'n gwneud, isio mynd i sioe drag nawr. So, mae hwnna'n beth positif iawn. Is this where you perform?
So this is not where I perform. They have a separate venue for that. So they've got two places. Os ti moyn, mynd mewn. Ti moyn?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I can already tell that this place looks full of interesting people. My type of place.
Yes!
Yes, this is my type of
All the
space.
trinkets, gyd o'r... A mae fe'n... It's a really safe space here as well. Everyone's so lovely and so open-minded, you know what?
Feels like it's somewhere that I'd come after school for sure.
Yes.
What do you think of these?
That is, what's the word, Welsh word for penis?
Pidlen.
That's a pidlen. And do you think the little old ladies from this Lampeter place, do you think they come in and buy this?
They might.
100%.
Well, this is a bit of me.
Exactly.
You
See?
can't
I thought you'd enjoy it.
What's it like to be different and have to date in a place like this?
It has its challenges, definitely. I mean, if you look out for the right guy, it will eventually come to you, but yeah, it's...
Might just take a bit longer.
Yeah.
I can imagine.
If it's in a pam ti'n trefnu drag shows, is that why you organise your own drag shows so that you can sort of, hey,
You know, yeah.
come to me actually.
Serenity a fi yma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gweld fi.
So it's not, yeah, okay. So you do this show and you put on the shows and it's for like people like us to mingle and meet each
Yes,
other and find that
100%.
there is like a community here. They're not alone in this little town.
Oh, wel dyna ddechrau
hyfryd. Mae Llambed yn lush, a dwi'n gallu deall pam bod Serenity isio aros yma, achos mae Blue wedi cael croeso arbennig. A mae hwnna jyst yn dangos yn dydi i beidio barnu lle ar y wyneb, achos maen nhw'n amlwg yn agored iawn i groesawu newid a rhywbeth gwahanol. Felly, hwnna'n ei wedi mwyn hapus iawn. Ni dod i glwb rygbi Llambed. Brenhinesau drag mewn clwb rygbi. Be all mynd o'i le? Shwmai pawb! Gawn ni mynd efo chi? Chi'n iawn? Dyma Blue, dyma Serenity. Clwb rygbi merched Llambed? Yeah, okay. Pa fath o gymuned sydd gyda chi yn Llambed? What kind of community do you guys have here?
Fi'n credu mae'n cymuned sy'n really croeso pawb. Mae pobl yn meddwl bod e'n caeedig a bod, cefn gwlad. Ond os chi'n rhoi ymdrech i bod yn rhan o cymuned, maen nhw'n rhoi ymdrech nôl i chi.
Be ydych chi'n meddwl o'r ddwy yma? Have you seen Serenity's shows?
Yeah.
You're a fan?
Yeah, socials ni.
Be?
Gaethon ni social yn y rugby club.
Halloween.
October, Halloween weekend. Aelon ni lawr i Mainz A oedd Serenity.
Ti wedi lico fe?
Yes.
What can I say?
Fi'n keen i weld y ddwy yma getting their hands dirty.
I understood that bit.
Yeah. So, instead of tucking, we're gonna tug.
I might be good at this.
Gadael ni weld pa mor dda mae Blue yn gallu tygio.
So I think we're on a good team. Are we on a good team?
Yeah, oh, there you go, we'll win.
Pawyn barod!
Ni'n barod. Ni'n barod i wneud hwn. Ferched, ni'n barod? Iawn, ni'n barod.
Pam yn barod?
Yeah!
Cwni off, cystadleuaeth dragio rhaff.
Ewch!
Dwi rioed di gweld gwynebau fel na o'r blaen. Oh no! Mae Blue yn cymryd hyn o ddifri, a mae'n colli. Ah! Come on, Blue! Da iawn, gyfarfed! Chi'n really good!
Come on!
Diane! The rope snapped! Someone cut the rope!
Sabotage!
Serenity! Cut the rope! I saw her with some scissors.
Dwi byth yn mynd i fod yn gystadleuaeth deg efo drag queens yn y llun. Mae rhywun wedi torri'r rhaff. Sabotage.
Ni wedi ennill. Team
Serenity's best tag.
What's the word for cheers?
Iechyd da.
Iechyd da.
Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n ferio pwymaid. Mae'r coleg yn ganol Llambed, felly mae pawb yn derbyn bod pobl gwahanol i gael a... Ie, dwi'n meddwl
Chi
bod...
wastad mynd i cael rai pobl sy'n bach yn stuck in the ways bach. Mae lot o bobl yn ardal yn cael bar yn cryf yn bydde, ond fi'n cael pobl yn dod yn cefn gwlad fel Lenin nawr yn dod bach yn mwy agored am ti.
Ie, maen nhw'n dal i fyny efo amser, definitely.
Like, it's a whole thing. I'm from just outside Belfast. So, yeah. So it's lovely. It's quite similar to here. That's why I feel like I like it. It feels like home here, really. Nice people, lots of greenery, so it's lovely.
So, wel, fi'n byw na wnglant fi sy'n rili hynach. So, maen nhw wedi goffod dod yn iwst i fi yn bod gyda merch. Maen nhw wedi bod yn galed yno, ond maen nhw'n dod yn iwst i fe, twed, sy'n problem dyn nhw.
Is there a gay bar in Lampeter?
This is pretty much the gayest bar in London.
Okay. It's a little drag queen sandwich. Yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah!
Barod? Dwi'n meddwl bod fi'n clywed canu a cyddoriaeth fyny grisiau. Cysio i weld? Yeah! Cwriaf de!
I have no idea what she just said.
Mi fydd y pres yn sgreinio ar y lliw, pan fydda I yn capten llong a fflat hiw piw, pan fydda I yn capten llong a fflat hiw piw, pan fydda I yn capten llong a
Wow. Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
I'm
So
I
good.
felt a bit emotional.
Me too. It's just a lot of people. Do you know, it is funny because, like, I'm normally scared of things like rugby and like this kind of men.
Manly
men. Manly men.
Yeah.
But for some reason, there's just a lot of joy in this room, and it's just it's lovely to be around. I feel very at home and welcomed into the Welsh
It's a
community.
very nice energy, isn't it? It's like really nice.
That's what I...
Especially in the drag.
Yeah, considering I'm dressed like this, everyone has just spoken to me like I'm a normal person, and it's just lovely.
I'm so glad. That's what we wanted.
Yeah, and I've definitely, we got it.
Yes, I'm so glad.
Is that trifle over there?
Diwrnod un, hefo Blue Hydrangea wedi wneud a dwi wedi chwerthin. Dwi'n cael gymaint o hwyl. Mae treulio trwy'r dydd hefo Brenhines Drag yn freuddwyd i fi, felly dwi wrth fy modd. Mae hi wedi gweld Llambed, wedi cwrdd â bobl yn yr ardal, wedi cwrdd â Serenity, a o'n i'n licio pan nath I ddeud bod ni yn ysbrydoli hi I edrych yn ddyfnach I fewn i'w diwylliant hi fel rhywun o Gogledd Iwerddon. So, yeah! Edrych mlaen at fory nawr. Nos da!
Mae Blue ar fi'n cwrdd a Chris, sef Serenity, allan o drag. A mae Chris yn cynnal dosbarthiadau dawns I bobl ifanc lleol ac yn mynd I ddysgu dawns arbennig I ni. A be di Blue ddim yn gwybod ydy bod ni'n mynd I berfformio'r dawns yma o flaen cynulleidfa yn y Mind's Eye heno. Oh, am treat.
Bore da!
Da, croeso I Studio Dawns Llambed. Welcome to...
Serenity's quite fierce, I'd say. Yeah. She's feisty.
Very remarkable as well.
Yeah. If you didn't meet the two at the same time, they'd look completely different people. You wouldn't even notice, like, they're the same person. No.
Fi'n credu mae gwisg yn just fel amazing achos mae fe'n really fel out there, mae fe'n da iawn. A so chi'n rili gweld yn Ceredigion, ond fi'n credu mae fe'n dda bod ni'n cael chance I gweld
It gives us a lot of variety for the younger viewers to be like, oh, I could be that one day, or that's actually not my thing, but that is really cool. Like, there's more opinions on the thing. I think it's good to have that.
Mae da fi her I chi. Ni'n mynd I dysgu ti y choreography I Paid â bod yn ofn.
Oh, what did he say?
Reit, ydyn ni'n barod. Are we ready?
I'm ready. Erdu.
Barod.
Yeah, stretch y mas yn y bach.
Ymestyn.
Yeah. Dros fel hyn, dros fel arall, a lawr a lan. Okay, iawn. Hips round a round, yeah.
Okay,
oh, forward and back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Crucial move. Well, that was really nice. Thanks for having me. I'll see you all later. Right.
Oedd fi wedi ffeindio fe'n rili galed tro gynta I just dod mas gyda'r drag.
Yeah.
So, yeah, ond mae Llambed yn really mas na gyda fe.
Yeah.
Mae'r ymateb wedi bod yn really nice gyda'r dawnswyr fi a just pobl yn Llambed. Mae fe'n really nice.
Achos ti ddim wedi bod yn gwneud drag am hir, ys ti ddechrau yn ystod Covid.
Yeah.
So, be mae drag wedi wneud I ti fel unigolyn?
So mae fe wedi helpu fi lot mas o drag gyda fel y confidence fi, gyda, t'wod, I just rhoi gwybod I fi bod fi yn gallu bod y person fi moyn bod, ti'n gwybod? I think that's the best thing, ti'n gwybod?
Oh my gosh, mae hwnna'n deimlad ffantastig.
Yeah, mae fe yn. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah!
Da iawn!
Goodness! Just make sure to do that.
Yeah!
Yes!
Yeah, I love that.
Good vibe. Strings. Gay anthem.
A little saxophone.
Oh, sexy pose.
I love it. It's Yeah, it sounds like a gay anthem.
Right?
I love it. Like, yeah.
You can hear that in the gay clubs.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
makes me... it's like all those gay songs that I love. And because it's in Welsh, it's even better.
Yeah. And yeah, it means don't be afraid, open your heart.
Yeah.
I think that's a really important message.
I love that. Yeah,
Yeah?
that's so true. That's why we do this. That's why I dress up like a drag queen. To love myself and everyone around.
Fi moyn ti, I want you to be a part of my gig tonight. Is it something you'd like to do?
Oh my goodness! Yes, if I have to. No, I'm just kidding. That's like the full circle moment of this whole trip. I've learned about Wales. I will have learnt some Welsh words and this song. And I think that would be the perfect way to just end off my trip, right?
I think you'll nail it.
Plus, we'll give the people in Lampeter a good old show. Hi, everyone. I've just finished my big rehearsals for the show tonight. I'm super excited. The stage is my home, so I'm ready to be in the spotlight, lip-syncing in Welsh. It's gonna be Fernig. So, yeah, wish me luck.
OK, Blue, dyma ni. Beth ti'n meddwl?
It's very
What do you
colourful,
think?
isn't it?
Yeah. A dyma'r cwyfan, this is the stage where we belong.
I love it, yeah.
Teimlo, how do you feel?
It's bright colours.
Yes.
There's a stage with lots of lights
Yes,
and
good lighting for you?
yeah, I
Good
think
light-
this is the place for me.
Do you wanna
Absolutely.
do you want to have a feel of the stage?
Yeah, this is more like it, above everyone else.
Oh my gosh, drag royalty.
Dyma Meilir. This is my friend Meilir.
Wow.
Absolute
Lovely to meet you,
babe.
Meilir.
I guess it's all right. I thought you'd be in drag for me.
Oh, excuse me. He shows up with a tutu, thinks he is something. But it's lovely to meet you.
It's really nice to meet you. It's an honour. I'm a massive fan.
Thank you.
Stunning. And Meilir's going to be performing tonight with us.
I cannot wait.
Yes.
Just in this little thing, you know.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
really
love it.
subtle.
Sort of Cinderella number.
Yeah.
I'll have to showgirls you and just throw pearls all over the stage.
Sabotage!
So that I'm the best.
O'n i'n meddwl fyswn ni jyst yn gallu cael kiki bach fan hyn. I thought we could have a little kiki because Meilir is also from a very rural area in North Wales.
Yes.
Yn dweud.
From Llanuwchllyn.
Ah, okay.
That's a lot of chychyn and chychyn.
There you go, yeah.
Yeah, I love that.
Pam nes i symud o Llanuwchllyn, o'n i'n straight. A mynd i'r coleg, mynd i brifysgol, darganfod fy hun, ac nes i fyth feddwl byswn i'n gallu symud nôl adre i Llanuwchllyn, really. A wedyn pam nes i benderfynu symud nôl adre, a lot o bethau di newid, really. Ffordd oeddwn i'n cario fy hun, fy hyder yn fi fy hun, yn ogystal â cymdeithas, sy'n mae cymdeithas di newid, cyfreithiau wedi newid.
That's like one of my biggest pieces of advice to give anyone is that you should live authentically as yourself and have confidence in you and what you are, because the moment that I accepted that I was gay, that I wanted to be a drag queen, that I was non-binary, that's whenever all of the lanes opened for me.
Yeah.
No doors were closed. I could do whatever I wanted with my life, being who I am. And I love that.
And that's the message of the song that we're going to do tonight. Paid bod ofn, don't be afraid. Be yourself.
Yeah.
And
Get laid.
thrive
Also.
and get laid, yeah. So, Blue, dyma ddiwedd y deuddydd. This is the end of your 2 days in Wales.
Oh, I'm not happy about having to go home.
Oh, I'm not happy either. We've had a lovely, lovely time. Hello.
Hello, look at the two witches.
Shwmae? Oh, ti'n gorgeous.
Blue, ti'n edrych yn gorgeous.
Oh my goodness.
A ti, Mer.
Ti'n edrych yn rhagorol.
Ti'n meddwl, like the blue
Stunning.
fairy.
Yeah.
Cinderella.
Da ni fel cast panto. Like a panto cast.
She's behind you.
Your nanny's curtains look great, to be honest. Oh my goodness.
But they smell.
Oh,
Wow, we
Fantastic.
panto after hours. Gorgeous.
Yesterday you were blonde with a bright bodysuit and now you're all black and
Yeah.
sexy. I love it.
Iawn, ladies, chi'n barod i berfformio heno?
Barod.
Yeah?
Paid o bod ofn.
Iawn, Mae'r gynulleidfa wedi cyrraedd, mae'r llwyfan yn barod, mae'r Queens yn barod, mae pob wig a lash a sequin yn ei lle, a mae heno yn mynd i fod yn noson i'w chofio. Rhowch groeso i Meilir Rhys-Williams! Rhowch groeso i Queen Ceredigion, Serenity! A mae gennym fi surprise anhygoel I chi. Mae rhywun wedi dod yma o Ogledd Iwerddon, cofiwch chi. Mae hi yn icon. Rhowch groeso I Blue Hydrangea! This is the end of your 2 days in Wales. It's so sad, but have you enjoyed yourself? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I've had the best time. I've learned so much about Wales, the culture, why people are so passionate about being Welsh here, and how small towns like this can have so much love and passion for the people around them, and that's just fabulous. Something that I'm going to take home with me.
Yeah, and you know what, Blue? You've taught me that kindness is everything. You've been so kind these past 2 days. You've been so generous with your time. Aww. I'm going to cry.
I thought you were going to say kindness is everything because you haven't shown me it.
That's true too, but I know it's because you like me, really.
Of course. You've made me feel so welcome and comfortable. I mean, let's be honest, me walking through the streets of Lampeter, like, I would never have imagined doing that normally, but you just took my hand and brought me on a journey, and I'm just so thankful for it. And look at this amazing group of people that have just come out to support us on our little show. If you ever become a drag queen, you can be part of my drag family.
I would love that. I'd love to be your drag daughter. So if you could sum up your time in Wales in one picture, what moment would you choose?
Oh, in one picture? Well, I think it's us in the Mind's Eye. The first time I ever saw it, it was the first place here where I truly felt like I could just let loose, let my hair down, my fake hair down, and just be myself.
Yeah.
It was a real stark difference to what I felt outside. But now, after being here, I think I could dance up that street without a care in the world.
Stomp around there and everyone would love it.
And you said it before, don't judge a book by its cover, and that is truly Wales.
Dim ond un peth sydd ar ôl i'w wneud. Mae Blue Hydrangea wedi cael blas o fywyd Kevin Gwlad. A be dwi wedi gweld ydy, dim ond un person mae'n gymryd i greu gwahaniaeth mawr.